International demand for flexible and affordable construction requires a new approach and highly efficient building technologies. Now, with $10 million already invested, Rwandan-based company Strawtec hopes to place the country at the forefront in Africa for construction using locally manufactured, sustainable green building solutions. Take a look.
The construction sector has increased by sevenfold over the last decade, here in particular in Rwanda, and bringing last year a contribution of about 383 billion Rwanda francs into our economy. The second, the Kigali city needs 40,000 new housing units to be built each year. Of course, we all now understand the main challenge, which is really the raw materials, because a number of the raw materials for constructions are currently imported. Cement, gypsum, that represent 10% of the total imports, particularly last year. So Strawtec manufacturing facility represents a locally sourced solution to our construction material needs. The second part that we need also to emphasize is to look into the whole value chain and see the potential growth that we can expect from everyone involved into this business. From the Rwandan farmers, as you know, they often burn the straw, this raw material that we have here from the wheat. So Strawtec represents, therefore, an innovative alternative use of these local resources as flooring, partitioning, and prefabricated housing.
To see the machine running now, after 3 years, here was a great satisfaction. And not just that it's running, but it's producing very high quality board made from Rwandan straw that about 5,000 Rwandan farmers will supply to us once we are fully operational. So this is the start, and we are very excited that we can now get on with our business and we can achieve our objectives.
With this investment come a number of benefits to the economy. Let me highlight a few. One, import substitution. Strawtec can substitute some of the imports that we use for construction. For example, we use a lot of steel and cement to build walls, and these materials come with a heavy import component. Number two, jobs. This plant is backward integrated, providing jobs to farmers with an additional stream of income from straw, otherwise considered as agricultural waste. Farmers in all wheat growing districts, and as we've seen, farmers in all the rice growing districts will benefit directly from this investment. Number three, exports. The straw panels will now join our growing portfolio of non-traditional exports to regional markets, realizing export revenue and improving our trade balance. And by the way, Strawtec, if you export 50% of your production, you also get an incentive of 15% corporate income tax, as opposed to the 30%, and that is as per our new investment code. Fourth and last, innovation. Rwanda aspires to join the League of Innovation-Driven Economies, competing in the markets with new and unique products, harnessing both existing and new technologies. Strawtec is a step in this direction, and we would want to encourage other investors to innovate, take risks, and bring products like this to market.
This launch follows a series of new private sector initiatives, both locally and overseas, during this year. We have witnessed new modern markets springing up countrywide as a result of carrying out collective investments, skyscrapers and towers emerging in the central business area of the city, as well as the outskirts.
The Kigali Special Economic Zone is home to 83 industries, and among them, 33 are fully operational. And this is one of the enabling environments that the government continues to create for investment. For the past 5 years, Rwanda has been improving its score on the Global Competitiveness Index as compiled by the World Economic Forum.